One of the things that's caused the most contention between me as an SEO and engineering groups that I was consulting with is that I am an absolute stickler for page construction. I believe in creating very fast pages that are made with very perfect HTML. This is because I value how well crawled sites are by the Googlebot and by other bots. And getting your HTML perfect is about the only way to truly be sure that your page is being parsed correctly. It also saves a lot of time in the debugging because you don't have to do as much worrying about whether or not your page renders correctly if your HTML is valid. Most of the differences between how Google, Chrome, and Microsoft's Internet Explorer and Opera and Firefox all render a page is how they handle errors in page construction. So by not having any errors in the page construction, having perfectly W3C validated HTML is very important to me in terms of making sure that a page is well constructed. I've also always outlined to engineering groups that the overuse of divs and nested divs, or any time that you're doing a double nesting of a tag that could be done in a single element, that the code to text ratio goes up, which is very bad for SEO. Lots of times the designers of pages aren't very good at doing the HTML construction in order to keep the HTML very simple. It's often easier, or because of the tools that they're using, you end up with these nested constructions or very code-heavy pages. And while that's fine for doing the mock-ups, usually you can go through afterwards and strip out large amounts of the HTML. My perfect web page is, literally head, body, paragraph, text, paragraph, close the body, and then be done. And obviously that's not the best for user experience. You've got to have some page design to your page. But from a what is the ideal version of your page, that's what it is. And everything that you step away from that is a compromise. And the compromise has to be balanced. You want to weigh SEO versus user experience so that people enjoy the experience of using your page. But if they don't enjoy it to the tune of 25% more that could come from the SEO traffic of a slightly different version of the page that was better optimized for bots, it's probably not a good thing. So it's managing how much traffic will you generate because of faster pages that are more SEO optimized versus heavier pages that are more user experience optimized.